Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, going to explain about the functions of production manager. What the production manager exactly do and what is the role in the production processes. The production managers ensures that manufacturing processes run reliably and efficiently responsible for a job, which includes planning and organizing the production schedules, assessing the projects and ensure the requirements, estimating the budgets and time scales with the client and the management, ensuring that health and safety regulations are met, determining the quality control standards, overseeing the production processes, and time scales and schedules are necessary, selection, ordering, and purchasing of materials, organizing repair routine and maintenance of the production equipments, leasing with buyers and marketing and sales staffs, supervising and managing the work of junior staffs, and organizing the relevant time sessions. So, apart from that, so what type of employers are the production managers? So, like food manufacturing, processing companies, employs the major production managers. You can also find the jobs like they have the different defense sectors, aerospace manufacturings, and may have very uh, trained people are to be maintain this kind of production and processes, like production is not only the manufacturing the equipments. So silks of the production managers, they have the technical and they have the reliable processes in their production and manufacturing systems. So production manager is one of the important person is in the organization to maintain a proper sales and the quality of the product whatever they are maintaining. So some of the major responsibility of these are all the regular responsibility. Apart from the major responsibilities, the production planning, production control, quality control, method of analysis, inventory control, plant layout, work measurements, and other functions. So production planning is the first most important function by the production manager. So production planning is concerned with the thinking of in advance that is to be produced, how it is to be produced, and by what time should it be produced, and it is concerned with the deciding about the production targets to be achieved by the keeping in view the sales forecast. So production control. So production planning cannot be properly achieved without an efficient system of the production control. It is in fact concerned with the successful implementation of the production planning. It aims to completing the production will in time and also with a lesser cost. A proper system of production control ensures continuous production, lesser work in progress, and minimization of the wastages. So, quality control. So, the production manager is also concerned with the maintaining the required quality of the products. Quality control is concerned with the controlling the negative variables which affects the ultimate quality of products. It is concerned with of all the ways and means whereby quality stands could be maintained. The method of analysis. There are many alternative methods for manufacturing a product. Some methods are more economical than the others. The production manager should study all the methods in detail by analyzing them in detail and then select the best alternative method to implement. The process of selecting the best alternative method is known as a method of analysis. So inventory control and the next important functions are played by the production manager is, and what he should determine the economic order size and minimize average and danger level of material so that problem of the overstocking and understocking is not arise. This also helps in maintaining the wastage of the materials. Next is plant layout. Plant layout is a primarily controlled and internal setup of an enterprises in proper manner. It is related to the how properly you are maintaining the plant layouts so that it should reach to a right place at the right functions. Work measurements. So, work measurements methods are the concern with the measuring the level of performance of the work by a workers. Time and the motion studies techniques can be used for the work measurements. If a worker's work below the level of the fixed by the work measurement techniques, its performance must be improved throughout positive and or negative incentives. So apart from this, so following all these methods and playing the important roles, so managers should follow so overall production and operations management. So that may be a processing of the main functioning of the production and operations manager. Thank you.